Dear friends, I'm going to show you how you can use screenshot right in the Clipchamp software. So please go back to the screen that you want to capture. For example, I want to capture this notepad screen. So on Windows, I will use the standard command, that is print screen button, and then I will come back to my clip chat and control V, which is a standard button and standard command for pasting the screenshot in the in Clipchamp, and then we will use this small command which says crop, and we will crop the screens from up, then from down, and in the similar way we will do it from left and right. Once we are satisfied with the image, we just need to click this right button, and finally we just need to fix it on the whole screen. I like fit screen so users can have a better visibility, and that's it friends. So we can use print screen right in the Clipchamp program. I hope it will make your life easy. Thank you so much for watching this video.